Shit, I forgot to put on the mic. Here we go. So hello everybody, I am the Gaminator and welcome to a video where I decided to do something different. Because I'm going to show you how I edit my videos. Back then I used Premiere Pro back then with Adobe that my mom used to have. But then we decided to stop using it because the money and how much it costs. So I decided to switch with not only DaVinci Resolve, but also with Affinity. Like back then I used GIMP, Krita. What else did I use? Yeah, that's even Photoshop. Back then I used Photoshop to make my thumbnails, but then I use Affinity. As you can tell right there. And so I just finished with, although I just finished recording my video for I Have No Mouth and I Must Scream, which I will drag right now. Change. And then what you want to do is to drag and drop it to the timeline. I use Microblast methods with recording my face cam and my gameplay at the same time because I've been through like a lot of tutorials to get this right. And if you want to see, even though I did split it into like the gameplay, audio, and the microphone, though I do often enjoy doing these things, I'm not really a professional with these things, but I do often enjoy making this method. Even though I do like methods like how Corey mixed sound effects and other things. What I often use to download videos and sound effects with the 4K downloader, video downloader plus. I only got the free version. Like I first got DaVinci Resolve, the free version, but then I went for the paid version. Like the difference is with the free versions that there's some of the plugins you can use, but some of them has like watermarks. They cannot be removed until you get the paid version. And the paid version helps you export videos quicker and use more of the graphic card. Though you need to make sure you put the play reviews either on half or quarter if you want to see it right. Although I'm like using a wide monitor, it's like this wide. Look at the video. There's my there's my microphone and there's my game. If I play, here we go. Yeah. Here you yeah. Yeah. All you gotta do is get the start gameplay. Either here or there. There you go. But then you have to like unlink the clips. And you like actually before you do like duplicate, you need to make sure you put it on two. First one, this one will be the face cam. And the second one will be the gameplay. I'm not gonna explain these things sometimes, but I am trying my best to make it clear as I can. Oh yeah. Oh wait. Although, yeah, you need to make sure you set it to either like 960 or minus 480 apparently, which is apparently that. Then after you did that, you need to compound on the clip and name it game play. Yeah, so I've just used the keyboard. You know, it's hard to use. Now put this on 2 and make sure it's a positive 480. Like often when I edit my videos, I often put them in. Yeah, there's a bit of thing there, but surely no one's gonna notice. Yeah, so I got mixed up those things. You're gonna make sure you make sure that the game audio and the mic stays as they are. And as for the face cam, you have to like crop it into its position. Oh, wait, actually, before you do that, actually, face. You need to make sure you also name the clip face cam as well. Now let's try this again. Though the lighting in my face cam is not that great, but I do when I do use Delta, but now I use Ultra for better capturing or 3D. All right, let's see. Yeah, you need to make sure you play around the. Yeah, either use Gamma or you're gonna have to try every key. You're gonna have to try using every tier your plugin to remove the green screen. I've been following a lot of tutorials how to like remove the green screen. Yeah, probably because the mic is like green. Well, let's try 3D keyer. Yeah, my green screen. Yeah, it may not be good, but it's still acceptable. Once you're done with that, you're gonna have to like move it towards this corner of your face cam, like this way. Make sure it's precise. And you should move to far right. And set the size to either 0.4 or 0.5. Yeah, but 0.5 should be good enough. Yeah. Now you turn it off. Yeah, maybe laggy, but if you turn it off, the bypass, you'll only see the preview. Yeah. Although, if you turn this off, it helps you focus better with editing. Let's see. Quarters. Yeah, but you need to go through like each part where you want to cut out and decide to split and then edit out. Yeah, she didn't get kidnapped actually. I mixed it up. Yeah, let me do anything that. There you go. There you go. Yeah, you have to go through each part and decide what you want to keep and what you want to split off and cut from. Yeah, in this part, you might want to decide how to edit. Like, when it says about Todd and Ed and stuff. Hang on. Like this part. It's split. So you can like cut off your face cam and set your video editing to zoom. And then you can like animate it by pressing the keyframe button. Oh yeah, what one? Sorry. Yeah, something you need to pay attention for which one you put a keyframe on. Like I often do that. I usually do that. Mistakes. Yeah, I think I need to like edit this out in the frame, in the curve. Yeah, that's much better. I really like how you can edit out the curves because I've been searching on YouTube for how to like edit them out for the animation. There you go. There we go. Yeah, this part you might want to cut out for this part. Let's see. Yeah, you might need to make sure you animate. Let's see. Resolution. You can always see with full resolution. Yeah. Let me just put it back on quarter. Just let it be easier for performance and playing. Actually, which reminds me, I forgot that's something. You know, if you have an intro, I suggest you add course. Just whatever you want. Like I have mine for this game. I have no mouth and I must scream when I first rendered it out. There's the shots out. There. And you might want to do add another stereo for another audio track. And find your sound effect for ding. And all you have to do is speed, reverse, speed. There you go. That's a cool intro. Yeah, I actually like to edit this part out first, actually. So yeah, BRB. Okay, let's see. What I think I'd like to do is to like add in the. There you go. Should be good enough. Frame effects. Yeah. Well, I prefer probably to like work with like the wide screen. Thought it'd be easier to see the timeline and the progress. Like I did a full tutorial of how to like export a video with better quality. There you go. Let's see, 0.6 or 65. There you go. Yeah, I do often save in the game, just so if I make the wrong decisions. Oh, shit, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, you need to be careful where you tap on. And I should probably tell you how I trim out the video, the clips. So you have to like press Control, Shift, and then left bracket. Alrighty, and that's how you do it. Though sometimes it may not crib all the videos. Let's go through here. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to focus, as you can tell by the frame rate, because I'm using my OBS to record. Okay, there you go. Yeah, sorry, I don't know why I keep forgetting to adjust the audio settings.
Must be a glitch in the circuitry. This joint would fry an egg.
Whoa. I like to get to the part where I would say something. And if you guys have your own outro, then you can use the outro for the ending of the song. Like this outro I use. And if you have your own outro song, then I suggest you use that as well. Like the song I use, made by a friend of mine from my university days. Let's do this, bitches. Do this, bitches. Let's do this, bitches. Let's do this, bitches. Let's Okay, I'm sorry. It just songs are so good. So anyways, you might want to, if you want to repair it, which I'm going to do right now, then you're welcome to do so. Friends, peace out. And then you hit Control Shift right bracket. And then you add your outro song. But you need to time it right.
Let's do this, bitches.
There you go. To be honest, this song was originally from the game I made called the Gaminator Celebration Massacre. But a friend of mine asked me if like he can do a remix, and I thought, why? I said, why not? Even though I heard the soundtrack and his song sounds very cool, and I asked him if I can use the outro, and he allowed it. Always make sure you ask permission. You have to make your fade in, but add in your fade in sound effect. Let's see, minus 25. And become the listen guide today. Until next, my friends. Peace out. And now,
Let's do this, bitches.
I need to find a part where it says, okay, let's see. Might be here, maybe? Yeah. Just need to time it right. And now with this.
Let's do this, bitches. Let's do this. Let's do.
And yeah, that's how you'll do it. Even though the video is like almost an hour long, but I do often like to work on these things. But whenever I and if you guys want to find a good moment to capture, like right now, like I'm going to do right now. Yeah, like here, actually. Let me check it full. And if you want to take a screenshot of this, you have to make sure you hide your face cam. Or if you want to use your face cam for your reaction, like I used to do, that's fine. But how Jacksepticeye, like, for example, I got Jack make his thumbnails for Resident Evil and Dispatch. Even though I like to make it scary, although I do often do this with my Resident Evil Requiem thumbnails. And once you get to this part, yeah, so I thought I might be mistaken. I thought she would like turn around. Ellen. If you want to adjust your screenshots, you can. And once you take a screenshot by clicking, click on grab steel, and then you right click and then you click export. And you can save it as with anything you want. PNG, JPEG, whatever you like. Entirely up to you. I'm gonna call it I have no. Got Ellen. And yeah, I know what the character is, but I don't want to put it in offensively. And the menace. That's all I'll put in. Yeah. No. Yeah, what am I doing? Yeah, Grammarly can help you autocorrect things and adjust and give them suggestions, but you have to be careful when using it. And export. And now you can enable and you can disable your face cam whenever you want to take a screenshot of your gameplay. And if you want to take a shot of your face cam, your reaction, you might have to open the timeline and do the same methods. Click, grab steel, and export, and name it whatever you want to call it. But if you want to go back to gameplay, you click on timeline of the video you're editing. Effects. And make sure you might want to carry on where you left off.
What the hell am I looking at? Could this be one of...
Yeah, this part. Okay, what I'm doing is part of my add every single part of it. So hang on. So let's fast forward.
Okay, outside, nowhere.
There.
What the hell am I looking at? Is this the one of the original components?
Word of advice, be careful what you press. Yeah, I'm gonna put an add in one eternity later. Or actually for this part in actually. So I might need to skip a few things. Okay, part very discovered. Yeah, it's getting a lot harder for me to edit out. Yeah, I think at this point I like edit out.
Oh.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there. Okay, let's see. I like to keep zooming here.
Oh.
Alright, let's see. Now to like edit out. Zoom in.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh.
Okay, let's see. Let's edit that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try that.
Oh. Oh.
There you go. Yeah, this part. Alright, cool.
Oh.
So yeah, I think I'm to end this episode because I can't focus with all the jittering and the lagging and the. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit the rest of the video out. Even though this video may be uploaded after or before or the next episode of I Have No Mouth and a Must Scream. But I hope you all understand and I hope you all taking it well. Even though I'm sorry, I apologize for being quiet. I'm trying to like focus on what I need to add on. But other than that, I hope you all enjoyed it. So anyways, thank you everybody so much for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed it. And if you did, then make sure you shoot the like button in the head for that shot. And make sure to subscribe for more new content like this. And I'll be trying to show more how much I edit my video or how I make my videos, or maybe one day show how I make my thumbnails like Jacksepticeye if I get the chance. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, my friends, peace out.